Hi friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Sita, and I hope you people are doing great and learn this language gratefully. And in this video, I am going to talking about it's really hard to learn this language. So without further delay, let's get start the video. So when we start our English journey, so we think like this. We have no English speak environment and nobody speak English. So we think that it's really hard to learn this language. That's why nobody speak this language and nobody interested to learn this language. So this type question arise in our mind. But what is the problem? We are not start. We think we not need to learn this language. Uh, who people think like this. But if you learn this language and you want to really fluent in this language, so it's not difficult. If you have desire to learn this language, suppose you think that I'm learn this language and 1 month 2 months you uh, learn this language passionately, but after 2 months you break your consistency, and after 2 months you learn this language. After 1 month you not learn anything, and then you start. So what happened, friend? You start in again. Forget about 2 months. What are you learn and what is you learn? But you again start your journey. So if you do this and if you learn this kind of, so it's little bit difficult your journey, and you give so much time in this journey. If you think that I am fluent in this language in only 6 months, and you give your all time in this language, like listening, reading, writing, practice. So it's possible to you are be able to speak English and you get fluency as soon as possible if you are consistent with this language. But if you not do your effort and you break your consistency, so it's journey hard for you. Okay. In talking about in my case also, when I'm start this language, so I'm think like this. This journey very difficult for me. How to do, what to do? Nobody tell me that you can do this, and this journey easy for you. And I'm thinking like this is a very hard. But when I'm start learning this language, so slowly this journey easy for me. I'm not demotivated anywhere. Whatever people say, whatever think, I don't care. I'm thinking like this. I'm learn this language. Whatever happen, I don't care. But I'm learn this language anyhow. So that's why if you have passionate about this language, so it's this journey easy for you. See friend, when we start our journey, so we are uh, confused. Okay, where confusion arise. Okay, we see different kind of video. If you search in YouTube how to learn this language, you watch 2 3 4 5 video, and everyone's thought different. First one, what is tell? Second one, what tell? What is tell? So difference arise in our mind. So you can follow one person strategy if you learn this language. If you follow one person strategy, so you are not confusing, and you are uh, going with flow. If you listen one people, two people, so they speak different way. One person speak different, second person different. So what happened, we uh, we uh, we difficult our journey. So, as you know, listening is very important in this language. Okay, don't follow like a you can do this. Lots of everyone different thought. You can follow like a listening, uh, practice, reading. So it's helpful for you. But if you not do this, so it's very hard for you. When we when if you see that uh, what happens, friend, if we see people then we if we see native speaker, so they speak fluent speak English. They speak fluent speak. So we thought like this. Uh, how he speak English very fluently. They not need to reading, and they not need to listening, and they not need to practice. Why? Because they have environment everywhere where person live. All people speaking English, so there no need to do this kind of thing. But in talking about ourselves, so no one speak like English, and our environment is not English environment, so we can do this kind of thing. And if you practice in someone, so you can download English application and you can practice with them. Okay, if you do this kind of thing, so this journey is easy for you. Don't think that this English journey is very hard, I'm not do this. First you start and consistent with this journey. Slowly it's this journey easy for you. Every person when every person beginner in this language, so this question every person arise in their mind. This journey also in talking about my case, so I'm think like this. I'm not do this after 2 3 months. I'm thinking like this. I'm quit. I'm not do this. It's very hard, and I'm not learn this language in my whole life. I'm thinking like this. But I'm then I'm thinking I'm try. Okay, I'm not quit. If I'm decide, so I can try. And then I realize when then I'm quit. That time if I'm quit, so what happened? It's lots for me. So if you quit your journey, so it is your loss. Okay, so don't quit this journey. If you learn this language, so there is so many benefit. Okay, if you go other country, so you get job there, you connect with people there. And if you travel, so uh, so much people speak different language, so you can connect with them. Okay, if I'm talking about in our country, so if we going to South India, so we are not speak, if we are not their uh, native language, so we can connect with English. Okay, so there is so much benefit in this language, so you can consistent with this journey. First, we think so much. Don't think rubbish. Okay, think only I can do this, and I'm learn this language anyhow. Whatever people say, whatever people think, because we we not focus on our journey. We focus on different kind of thing, like people, what people think, and if we learn this language, so what is the benefit? First you learn, then think like this. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.